This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? Today's video, we have another highly requested video and one that I'm personally really excited to make. As you can tell, I have a little co-host with me today. She's taking a nap behind me. I'm trying not to disturb her. But this is also a video that I'm super excited about because this is my favorite, well, one of my favorite times of the year, and that is Halloween. So this is a 50 Halloween crochet ideas video. Now this one, there is going to be a lot of beginner friendly patterns, and I think even a few kind of more intermediate patterns, but for a majority of them, they're beginner friendly. As always, everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I say it, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? For this specific video, I don't have categories sectioned out below like usual, just because a lot of these crochet ideas there's not enough to separate into categories. I feel like they're all generally in the same category of Halloween. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, so one of the first crochet ideas we have is this really cute, it's actually a pack of multiple different kinds, but these Halloween candy bags, okay? If you have kids or you're a teenager and you're gonna go get some candy, you can actually crochet your own candy bag, which I thought was really cute. I actually love these so much. Personally, I'm gonna be handing out candy because I'm too old to trick or treat, but those candy bags are still super cute. You can also make this Halloween inspired gnome, I guess. I guess it's a really big thing to do seasonal inspired gnomes as Halloween decor. So you can make this one. You can also make this really cute bat stuffed animal, and you can even make these crochet cocktail sets, whether it's for as a toy or just for fun. I think those are super cute. You can also make this scream or ghost face, I guess I would say ghost face crocheted toy, or even this skeleton with a little skeleton dog toy. And you can even make this vegetable snail pattern with a little pumpkin as the shell. Super cute. You can also make this these actually really simple looking cat toys, stuffed animals kind of things. You can even make this really cozy crochet Halloween sugar cookie long sleeve sweater, which I thought this was so cute and so creative, especially if you're anything like me and love those sugar cookies. This season is literally perfect for baking and things like that. With the colder season starting, it's the perfect time to get cozy under a blanket and grab a cup of tea and maybe sit and, browse for a little fun crafty skill to learn to pass the time. Lucky for you, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare has classes on a variety of topics, including illustration, graphic design, photography, UX design, creative writing, animation, fine art, music production, film, video, marketing, productivity, and web development, craft, social media, and so much more. Whether you want to learn the basics of watercolor painting or how to start your own creative business, Skillshare has classes to take you from beginner to pro alongside a very supportive community. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm also learning how to knit. So I'm currently taking Vincent Williams Knitting 101 courses. I'm doing so well with these courses. I just want to show you how far I've gotten on my knitted scarf. Okay, I'm still learning the basic stitches, but I'm really excited because these courses are supposed to tell me how to read knit patterns. So I'm really excited to get into that part of it so that I can start making things other than just 4 inches of a knitted scarf, okay? But if you're interested in crocheting or having a better understanding of crocheting or how to modify crochet patterns to better fit your needs, Skillshare also has videos for you on that topic. So if you want to unlock your creativity and learn something new, Skillshare is giving the first 500 people to use my link in the description 30 days free and 40% off your first year of Skillshare membership. Did you hear that? That's the first 500 people to use the link in my description will get access to one of Skillshare's best offers. 30 days free and 40% off of your first year of Skillshare membership. Now that I'm also learning how to knit, I'm going to have to start adding some 50 knitting video ideas as well. So along with the sugar cookie sweater that we have for this video, we also have these really cute Halloween inspired cactus plants, which are super cute little corporation of a home plant with some Halloween spice added onto it. And you can even make a more advanced kind of crochet project as this like half and half black and green pumpkin jack-o'-lantern kind of sweater. Super cute. Actually, the first time I've ever seen something like this for Halloween, so I thought that was pretty unique and like a little fun spice it up to Halloween crochet ideas. You can also make this other Halloween gnome. Again, I don't understand the gnome thing, but like it's popular for seasonal gnomes. So you can make this Halloween gnome if you don't like the other Halloween gnome. You can also make these dressed up candy cone. These dressed up candy corns, okay? So candy corns with costumes, super cute. A little added level to the normal candy corn crochets. Candy corns? I don't know. I've made candy corns before. I think last Halloween I made a candy corn. But you can also make these spooky dipped, I think they're apples. I think they're supposed to be apples. So you can make those. You can even make a Hocus Pocus inspired crochet witch doll. You can also make these really cute pumpkin bandanas to add to a little Halloween fit or a pumpkin patch outfit. Super cute. I've actually, no, I was gonna say I've never been to a pumpkin patch, but that would be a flat out lie. So I'll say instead that I want to go to a pumpkin patch this year. But you can also make this crochet witch bee and Sam from Trick or Treat, which is like a scary movie, if I remember. I think I've seen this one. You can also make this guy. You can even make a Grim Reaper, which I've made a Grim Reaper before. Loved it. It was one of my first couple projects I've ever made. So I would say beginner friendly-ish. I did struggle with it a little bit. You can also make a pumpkin with bat wings. I almost said bat ears. Bat wings, okay. You can also make these fun Halloween decorated donuts. You can even make this really cute cat in a ghost costume who looks like he is ready to trick or treat. Okay, super cute. You can even make this other really cute cat Halloween inspired one and he's in a pumpkin. Okay, you can even make this ghost with a pumpkin hat or this other pumpkin with bat wings. It's slightly different than the other one, but still the same kind of concept. You can even make these witch legs scarf. Okay, you can make Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas, which I'm not going to argue with you on this one. That movie is for Halloween and Christmas. Okay, it's not a Christmas movie. I know some of you are going to be like, Paige, that's a Christmas movie. No, it's not. It's Halloween and Christmas. It's the only movie you can enjoy on both. Okay, that's a lie. Krampus you can also watch during Halloween because it's scary. Okay, so 2 movies you can enjoy for both holidays. You can also make this spider on a web lovey, okay? And you can make these Nightmare Before Christmas characters, which again, Halloween movie, okay? I will die on that hill. That's the hill I will die on. You can even make an Oogie Boogie keychain, okay? You can make these scary movie inspired loveys. Lots of options for you there. You can even make this fun plant with an eyeball in the center, a spooky plant for your house, or you can even make this crocheted blood splatter to help decorate your home for Halloween. You can even make these ooze cup cozies if you're having a Halloween party, or something cute that I'm seeing happen again this year is booing people. So like you leave a Halloween basket on someone's porch and you like knock and you run away and you leave them a little gift. You can even like, if you're gonna get a tumbler in that little basket, you should crochet a cute little like oozing tumbler cozy. Okay, that'd be really cute to add onto your basket. You can even make a pumpkin bag or these little eyeball candies. Okay, you can make this spiderweb granny square, and you can also make these cute little ghosts with witch hats. You can make another spooky dipped poison apple moment. Okay, you can even make this bat pattern, super cute, hanging upside down bat. Love it. Okay, you can even make these pumpkin granny square, candy granny square, spider granny squares, a little bundle of Halloween granny squares for you. And you can even make this vintage this vintage vest pattern, which was just giving Halloween vibes. It may not necessarily be a Halloween pattern, but it was giving like Halloween Town. So I like that if you want to incorporate it into a costume or something. You can also make these pumpkin hats. You can make one for your baby or one for you or one for both, so you can match with your baby. You can also make this Halloween crop top. It has like a spider web moment in the middle. Super cute, super fun. You can make this really cute bat that like has wings that wrap around itself. That's really cute. You can also make this Nightmare Before Christmas skull inspired succulent plant, or even these little candy corn friends, or back to the basics of these tiny little pumpkins, okay? And then we have another a little more detailed Oogie Boogie stuffed animal for you. And that concludes our 50 Halloween crochet ideas. I hope I was able to do the video justice and give you guys a couple ideas for Halloween coming up, whether it be for decor or for Halloween baskets, or for, you know, booing people, I guess. I don't even know if it's still called booing, but stay tuned for more Halloween inspired crochet idea videos, because I have a whole series of them coming. If you haven't watched it already, I have a Halloween decor only video, and this was just like a general Halloween video, and I have so many more coming out. We've got a costume one coming out, we've got a Granny Square one coming out, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, just a friendly reminder, everything I said in this video is listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free video or written tutorial, okay? Also, any of the pictures I showed are on a cohesive Pinterest board, okay? Also linked in the description box below so that you can have access to all those photos. I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm missing. I don't think so. It's late. It's late in the night, okay? Grad school is kicking my butt. And yeah, I feel like I'm like losing my train of thought a lot more than usual. I think that's it. Other than that, y'all, like this video, comment down if there's anything else that you want me to do that I haven't done yet, and I'll add it to the never-ending list of crochet idea videos that I'm working on. With that being said, I love you. Bye.